Hi all. Today we are going to see the topic about inheritance. Generally, what is inheritance means? Inheritance allows one class to acquire fields and methods of another class. So the class that inherits in the subclass, the class it inherits from the superclass means that can inherit all the features and behaviors of the superclass to subclass. So it promotes why we are using inheritance means it promotes code reuse and reduces duplications. If we want to if we want to define the same methods and variables which is already defined in the superclass means we no need to define the same thing in subclass as well. We just inherit the things which is presented in superclass to subclass. So for that we are using extends keyword for achieving that inheritance. So subclass can add new features or override parent methods. So generally, it supports hierarchical relationship in object-oriented programming. So the keywords we already seen in Java, how can we achieve the inheritance means by using extends keyword. So inheritance works with polymorphism to increase flexibility, which means we can use the same method in many forms. So example, person extended by student and teacher classes. So this is the program we are going to explain about inheritance. So here person is a class, and under that person class we already defined variables or fields, that is name, age, and method also we have defined, that is display. So in that case if we want to inherit one more class, we want to inherit the one more class, that is student means we just uh, using the extends keyword for inherit the features from person class to student class. Here under that students as a subclass, in that subclass we are add one more field other than the other fields which is defined in superclass, that is grade. And we also define one more new method which is not already defined in person class, that is show details and display. So this is the main class. In that main class uh, we are going to create a object which is yes. Generally, what is the syntax of the object which is already seen the previous video, that is student is a class name and yes is the object name, new is the keyword for creating an object, and students is one more student is a special type of method, that is nothing but constructor. So here we just access that fields and methods by using this object. um, that is s dot name is equal to alias, s dot age is equal to 20, s dot grade is equal to a. So s dot show details is the accessing methods which is defined in the class. So this is inheritance, and one more program we are going to see, that is nothing but employee class. And under this employee class we defined the name salary, and method name is show info. And under this employee we are going to inherit the subclass, that is manager. And under this manager subclass we are defined one more field, that is department, and one more method, that is show details and show info. So this is the inheritance, and for this program this is the main function. Test employee, under this main function we are going to create an object for manager, and by using that object we just access the fields and methods which is defined in the superclass and subclass. So that is nothing but m dot name is equal to John, and m dot salary is equal to 50,000, m dot department is equal to HR, and show details is a method to show the attributes values. And inheritance conclusion. Inheritance that enables one class to reuse properties and behaviors of another's. It reduces redundancy by centralizing common features. Thank you.